In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MT5 in Pocket Option. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the most innovative trading platform by visiting the Pocket Option website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to look for the area known as the QT reel. It's usually prominently displayed, so you should have no problem finding it. Next, locate the drop-down menu within the QT reel section. You'll need to click on this drop-down to reveal a list of trading options available to you. This step is crucial because it provides you with various opportunities to explore different trading avenues right from the comfort of your home. After you have accessed the drop-down menu, the next step is simple. Click on the Forex option. This choice opens up a world of possibilities where you can investigate different currency pairs and delve into the intricate market movements that Forex trading involves. Choosing Forex is your gateway into more advanced trading options on Pocket Option. At this point, you'll need to make an important decision, choosing between Forex MT5 Real and Forex MT5 Demo. For our tutorial, let's click on Forex MT5 Real. By selecting Forex MT5 Real, you're embarking on a journey where you can experience live trading with actual market conditions. This choice means you are ready to use real funds, so make sure you're prepared. Once you have decided on Forex MT5 Real, take a moment to add an asset or Forex pair you want to trade. This step is where personal preference and strategy come into play. MT5 or MetaTrader 5 offers a robust platform with over 18 technical indicators, various time frames, and the ability to short sell. Such features allow for deep analysis, which can benefit your trading strategy significantly. Managing your account balance is straightforward. Whether you want to deposit funds or withdraw them, everything is just a few clicks away. You are in complete control of your trading experience. When you're ready, enter the amount you wish to trade. Carefully choose the direction you think the market will move, either buying or selling your chosen asset. Setting stop loss and take profit levels is another critical aspect to consider. They help manage and mitigate risk, ensuring you have a safety net when the market fluctuates unexpectedly. MT5 supports advanced order types that enhance your trading capabilities, including stop limits and trailing stops, among others. These features create a flexible and adaptive trading environment tailored to meet your unique trading approach. And there you have it, simple yet comprehensive steps on how to use MT5 in Pocket Option. Follow these instructions to get the most out of your trading experience and make informed decisions on every transaction.